Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 2 which is based on coefficient. So the question is find the coefficient of x to the power 9 y to the power 3 in the expansion of 2x minus 3y to the power 12. So in the expansion, we have to find the coefficient of x to the power 9 and y to the power 3. So here first we write the general term of the binomial expression which is a plus b to the power 12. So first we write the general expansion for this. How can we write? This is nothing but t r plus 1 which is equals to n c r a to the power n minus r and b to the power r. This is the general term of binomial expansion. So what is the value of a here? A equals to, this is 2x and b equals to minus 3y and n value here which is 12. So according to this expansion, our a value equals to 2x, b equals to minus 3y and n equals to 12 here. So now again we write the term according to this expansion. So it become t r plus 1 equals to, what is the value of n, which is 12. C, r value is not, we don't know, and a value is 2x to the power 12 minus r and b value is minus 3y to the power r. So now we have to calculate the value of r to get the general term or the coefficient of the x to the power 9 and y to the power 3. So how can we calculate the value of r? For that we need to compare the x and y coefficient. So here 2x to the power 12 minus r which is equals to, this is x to the power 9. So now we are comparing this term which is 12 minus r equals to 9, then 12 minus 9 equals to r, then r equal to 3. You can calculate the value of r with the help of x to the power coefficient, otherwise with the help of y. We will calculate with the help of both for the better understanding. So now here according to the y, this is 3y to the power r which is equals to y to the power 3. So here we directly get the r equals to 3. So both r value is same. Now we put the value of r in this equation. This is one equation to get the coefficient of x to the power 9 and y to the power 3. So now r value is 3. So we have to find fourth term which is equals to 12c3 and 2x to the power, this is 12 minus 3 minus 3y to the power, this is 3. So this is 12c3 and 2x to the power, this is 9 and minus 3y to the power 3. So this is 12c3, 2 to the power 9, x to the power 9 and minus 3 to the power 3 and y to the power 3. So we have to separate this one which is 12c3, 2 to the power 9 minus 3 to the power 3 and x to the power 9 and y to the power 3. So we have to find the coefficient of this. This is nothing but this is the coefficient of x to the power 9 and y to the power 3. So now we have to calculate this one. So what is 12c3? Which is 220 into 2 to the power 9 is 512 into minus 3 to the power 3 is minus 27. So when you multiply it, you will get minus 304180. This is nothing but the coefficient of x to the power 9 and y to the power 3 which we have to find in this question. One more important thing is that most of the students don't know about the formula of NCR. This is nothing but the n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. With the help of this, you can easily get the value of 12c3 which is 220. So like that you have to write in the examination to get the full marks. If you want these handwritten notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.